It's smart to give your hair a little TLC so that you can protect it from the everyday damage it goes through on a daily basis. And by daily practices, I mean washing your hair, brushing it, styling it, coloring it. All of these things damage the structure of your hair. But that doesn't mean that you don't have to stop doing those things, obviously. You just want to protect your hair a little so it stays nice and beautiful. The reason I do this as a pre-shampoo treatment is because your hair is most vulnerable when it's wet. Anytime the outer layer, the cuticle, is damaged, you're going to be leaving the rest of your hair susceptible to damage because the cortex is going to lose fibrous protein, and that's going to make your hair more fragile and vulnerable.